I got a chance to experience a TallyPrime training with Prymage. Thanks to them, I've learned a lot. Sometimes as students, we find it difficult to bridge the gap from academic life towards the practical skills on the field. And thanks to Prymage Consultancy Limited, I've gotten a chance to learn so much on the field. I was able to learn how to open entries, create a company, and also know how to open and create reports from the TallyPrime.
I'm a business owner, so I've learned something that I can create my own account and then use it for my business. I've also learned how to do balance sheets. It's like what we do in the class. So it's not something that is far different from the class. It's personally they say, but this one you are practicing it.
I wasn't expecting this so much. It was good, it was well. It has helped me to learn that what we are studying in class is not far from what is in the field. The whole training session was very enticing and then very educative and interactive as well. The facilitators were very good. They broke it down simply for us to be able to understand it very well. And I've been so much enlightened. I know that this TallyPrime software can be used for single businesses and then for multi-purpose businesses as well. So whether my mother's shop or my father's company, I can still use the TallyPrime in any of them.
TallyPrime is an important software for all accounting students, and it is very, very good. In TallyPrime, we learn how to set up companies, we learn how to create accounts, we learn how to enter into ledgers and debit, credit, purchase, invoices.
Personally, with my experience with Prymage, I've been able to lay my hands on how to enter purchases and how to treat or create accounts and then also create companies as well. And then also I've been able to know my entries in balance sheets and then also different accounts.
This training has been so far so good, very interesting. We've learned a lot, and comments from students are saying that this program has been interactive and they want more and more. So we recommend to all students, all accounting students, all university students to come patronize Prymage because they are for all accounting software, for companies, for schools, and for all.